Hi, this is Radhika Dukai.
My name is Kushti Upadhyay.
Myself Jigna.
I have been working at Analytix since last 3.5 years for the accounts department.
I have been associated with Analytix since almost 5 years.
I work with Analytix for 3.5 years.
I joined this company when I was new to this city. As of today, I have left this city, but I am still associated with Analytix. So you can imagine the place I am having for this company in my heart.
Actually, it will be difficult to put it into words, but then still I would say that I have grown multifold both professionally and personally. Analytics has given me comfort onto rough roads where I have learned how to deal with different people in different situations.
I started my journey at Analytix Solutions through one of the academic training programs back in July 2019.
Strong leaders, valuing the employees, and innovation are the three major benefits of this company.
We have employee-centric policies. The second one, I would say, the culture of the company, and the third is the vision of the company.
Strong leadership team with growth mindset. Another is a management team with high level of integrity. And third one, I can say operational team with high level of efficiency.
I have not only upgraded myself personally but as well as professionally. I have learned various certification courses as well as new softwares during my journey in analytics.
When I joined Analytics, I was working as a talent acquisition and HR facilitator, but looking at my interest and capabilities, Analytics has given me an opportunity to move into partnering side.
Analytix Solutions has provided so many good opportunities to advance one's career by way of a long-term education policy.
Strong and motivating leaders are my inspiring factors that really help me to work on various challenges.
Our employees were given an immense support by way of leaves, in terms of financial assistance, in terms of medical assistance.
I have hardly seen any company of this size and scale who gives us a lot of flexibility so that we can manage both work and life. I have my son at home who is just 5 years old and he doesn't have any complaints for me.
I love to be the part of the events and functions being organized, and also like to participate in certain fun activities being conducted over Analytix Solutions.
Not only because we have a lot of fun activities and we celebrate all the festivals, but also because we are allowing employees to make mistakes and learn out of it.
So the culture of our company, that is Analytix, is really welcoming, which helps in enjoying each and every event or any company-wide happenings that are happening within Analytix.
Yes, Analytics has given all the tools and technologies which are required, so we are fully equipped.
If there are certain circumstances when it is not become possible, then an alternate solution has always been provided.
But yes, the company makes sure that I get the best solution that is required to manage the issues and challenges I'm facing.
Well, my journey with Analytix Solutions has been nurturing.
Analytics has always been welcoming for me.
So my analytics journey has been really augmenting.
Analytics is home. I feel home here.